I'm a GP with an extended role in frailty, and I work here at the Jean Bishop Centre. I mainly work with patients with frailty, but I'm also the digital lead for our team. There's a lot of information to record because we see patients for a good hour in a consultation, and recording that sometimes is quite daunting. I was actually looking at dictation tools, and that's when I came across Heidi as one of those scribes.
Heidi works in the background, which will just listen to the conversation. It captures everything from that consultation and puts it into our note format for us. So it means that we don't have to looking away from the patient. We can be more present and more engaged in the conversation.
I was really impressed. I didn't expect it to be as nice as it is. The staff are lovely, couldn't fault it. Yeah, really impressed with it.
You'll see people referring to things like cognitive load, meaning in essence you're not thinking your way through stuff all the time, having to type things on a computer, but in fact what you're doing is absorbing more from your patient, thinking a little bit more about what's going on in the system, and then your thinking comes when you actually sort of check the note afterwards and want to put your plans and things together.
When your patient is elderly perhaps, or a bit hard of hearing, or there's lots of things going on for them, for the patients to feel that they're getting that 100% focus. And I've heard patients telling people, I've really felt comfortable. I felt as if everybody here had time for me.
The most valuable thing when we're in the stage of AI adoption is getting real validation from this piece of technology. And I think, you can get validation from your customers and people who love it and say good things about it, but it's another level to really have an organization independently review how a system's operating, what it's changing, what are some of the unseen benefits or consequences of it, and having that independent source to say, hey, this is where it's working, this is where there's areas for improvement, to be honest, is invaluable because we can't get that anywhere else. So yeah, the Health Innovation Network, it's been about 6 months or so since we've been working with them very closely on the kind of data side. Again, completely independent of us, and it's been great to get some of those feedback loops going.
I've been working in IT for many years, and I've supported many people bring technology alive. But I think this has been one of the best examples where you can see the benefit on a person. Quite often it's a benefit for a bank or a car factory or a business, but this technology really enables a person to focus on another person, which I think is wonderful.